Howdy y'all, and welcome to my shop. Join my family and me as we build projects and go on adventures. My name is Waylon, and this is Muddy Turtle Motors. Hi everyone, welcome back to the shop. Today we'll be spending time with a dude doing one of his projects and playing in the front yard. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let's go. All right, Jack, what do you got today?
A rocket from Christmas.
It was a Christmas present. So we got our National Geographic light up air rockets. That's the kit we're going to build today and see how it plays. Yeah? Cool, man. Show me your box. Show me what it's got.
There's red, green, and pink. Got the back.
Let's see what it says. Light up air rockets. You'll have a blast with National Geographic's light up air rockets. Simply jump on the foot pump and propel these rockets up to 100 feet high. Got 3 light up rockets and launch base included. Simply jump on the foot pump to send your rocket flying up to 100 feet high. Experiment with physics using the adjustable launch tube. Rocket learning guide included. Kit includes 3 light up rockets, 1 launch base, 1 foot pump, 1 learning guide with instructions. Pretty cool, man.
It goes 100 high.
100 feet high? That's pretty cool. You ready to open it up? All right, go ahead.
You pull the tab down and you try to lift this up. And you grab what's inside.
Pull it all out, buddy.
You got 3 left.
Show us your rockets.
I'm trying to get that one. You got pink and blue.
Show us all. Turn around, dude. We can't see them on the camera.
Pink and blue. And green and black. And yellow and red.
Go a little slower so we can see them better. Hold it up to the camera.
Purple and blue.
Perfect.
And green and black.
Got flames on it, looks like.
Red and yellow.
Very good.
You got this to jump on. I didn't even know this.
That's the base we put the rockets on.
Oh.
Set all that on the table. Let's see what else is in the box.
There's one more thing.
Uh-oh.
We have to have a menu.
It's upside down, buddy. That's our guidebook that teaches us all about rockets.
Yes.
Very neat. What else is in there?
Nothing.
Nothing. All right. Well, let's open up this book and look at our rocket book.
I'm full of this.
National Geographic Light Up Air Rockets Instruction and Learning Guide. So it shows us how it's all put together. Look at this, Jack. So we got our stand.
Oh.
We got to open up our stand. You do it. Hold on, buddy. Yeah, that goes on there too. Open up the legs.
This leg.
Yep.
This. There's one more thing.
And then you aim it in the direction we're going to fire it. Straight up.
Right.
Load a rocket on it.
Then one more thing.
And then you smash it. But we're not going to fire it inside because it goes straight into the roof.
Yeah.
That'd be crazy. You ready to take it outside? All right. We interrupt this episode to ask you to drop a comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell, and destroy the like button. Hit it hard. Hit it hard. Hit it hard. On the ground, smash it. Smash it. Keep going, keep going.
And that's what Emma does.
That's good, Em. Now back to the video.
That was quick. Now,
Okay, Jack. Go ahead, jump on it.
Mama, they didn't go that far.
Oh, now careful which way you're aiming it, son. You want to go straight up. There you go. Man, let me back up. Let's do that again.
Oh.
That's pretty good. I think you got higher that time.
Oh my goodness. That was high. Oh.
It went all the way across the road. Oh man, right in the water.
Okay, it's okay. It didn't go that high.
Oh, you almost got me.
I'm gonna get you.
Oh, cool. They have a light in them.
Oh.
That's what that little button does. So if we fly these at night, it'll light up.
Yeah.
We gotta try this at night, after dark. Fire to me.
Oh.
Got it. Ta-da. Yeah. Got him. Aw, you got a better one earlier. That was a better one. Oh, there's a good one. Oh, you got me. Fire. That's a good one. Oh, man. Woo! It's good. Caught him with the neck. You almost got it. Meow. Meow. Meow.
Dad.
Oh, close. Oh. Come on, man. That was an easy one. Oh. You smacked it. Give it a smack. Fast. Woo! There you go. All right. Set up your rocket.
Whoa. Cool now.
Give it the launch. That is super awesome, dude.
All right, do that again.
Let's go.
3, 2, 1, jump. Oh. It didn't go anywhere.
It didn't go nowhere.
Push down more.
You didn't jump.
Okay, now hit it. There it goes.
It makes a whistle sound.
That's cool. Fire! It does. Fire!
Oh man, that's
Fire! Fire! Fire!
Do they have batteries in them?
Fire!
They got batteries in them? Is that how they work?
Yeah, the nose of it is a little foam ball, and it has a little battery in it, and a light, and you turn it on with there's a little button on the side. Ready? Hold on! Fire! 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 Fire!
All right.
These are cool.
Y'all are silly boys.
Well, that's it for this episode. Make sure you check us out on Facebook and Instagram. See you next time.